Did you know there's a furnace-hot valley in Ethiopia where rainbow lakes seethe with acid and sulfur smoke in the Danakil Depression? Explorers witness surreal panoramas where turquoise crater lakes, obsidian salt flats, and volcanoes collide in a landscape. Few humans can endure love discovering Earth's strangest corners. Hit subscribe for more adventures like this. Medieval maps would have placed this hellish vista at the edge of the world. Yet modern travel reveals a living natural lab shaped by tectonics, and climate visitors tread cautious salt paths, while distant camels and geothermal vapors add a haunting, cinematic glow to every frame.